standard. Semi-automatical clinical chemistry analyzer. Introduction about Alitech chemical system. Alitech chemical system is a global leader in benchtop chemistry system. It offers chemistry system delivery. Our mission is to enable better medical decision by bringing high-value diagnostic solution and service to laboratories that are closer to the patient. Alitech clinical semester leadership audit. The new microlab 300, a true semi-automatic clinical chemistry analyzer, is all its glory. A system that is designed as a clinical chemistry analyzer, as not as standard. That what makes the difference. The new microlab 300 extend the excellent reputation of the microlab family, which the thousands of users over the world can perform to you.
Operational routine microlab 300. I turn on tools. 1. Press the on/off button on the stabilizer. 2. Press the on/off button on the UPS. 3. Press the on/off button of the microlab 300 tool located on the back body of the tool. 4. When it appears, place 5% detergent and press shipper. Place 5% detergent and press shipper. Prepare the lab pro solution at 5%. Then place it under the shipper tube. Then wave the solution by pressing the shipper plate and wait until the process is complete. Until it appears, request to enter aqua bidet. 5. When it appears, place the aqua bidet and press shipper. Prepare aqua bidet, then place them under the shipper tube. Then wipe the aqua bidet by pressing the shipper plate and wait until the process is complete. If the process has been done, finished, the main menu will appear. B. Measurement endpoint and two-point method. Procedure for parameter. 1. Endpoint: cholesterol, glucose, triglyceride, albumin, total protein, reactive bilirubin, total bilirubin. 2. 2-point: 2L LDL cholesterol, 2G LDL cholesterol. 1. From the main menu, press measure number 1 on the keyboard tool. 2. Select the parameter type to be checked with use the cursor. The enter. 3. When the measurement water bound, command appear, then wash the aqua bidet. 4. The measurement reaction command will appear blank. The application blank if use the press. 5. Apply the reagent that has been mixed with the ingredient standard and cal for calibration if need. Make sure that the concentration value in the calibration program is value standard. 6. Press grab to press accept. 7. Apply the reagent that has been mixed with the control material to exercise control. 8. Apply the reagent that has been mixed with the sample material before running patient sample. The user can enter data. patient name and patient ID by pressing enter first. 9. If the sample is more than one with the same parameter, then press the new word to enter the sample ID next before making measurement. Then it accommodates first by pressing the plus button. 10. Every time you switch to another parameter. 11. To washing with neutral lapro fluid 5% to avoid contamination.
Okay guys, now I want to tell you about tool repair, about microlab 300. Okay, tool repair. Step 1. Replace and adjust halogen light. If the light are off, to make or absorbent reading are not normal, it is necessary to replace to adjust the light. You need a plus screwdriver, tissue or flat free cock and pin. Can be every small screwdriver. Now, step 1. From the main menu, select user maintenance or press number 5 on the keyboard. Step 2. Then select the adjust lamp menu or press number 3 on the keyboard. And number 3, the following display appears. Caution: the light and the surroundings are very hot. Other than that, the light are also very bright. Hold the lamp and the instant surround as well looking directly into the light can cause burn and eye damage. Number 4. Open the blue cover. Open the from the front. Open the cover from the front, then back. If the required, pulling paper from the slot. Step number 5. Open the screw with the screwdriver plus slowly. Then open the metallic cover. Number 6. If you only want to adjust the lamp, open the screw X with the screwdriver small plus and slowly. Don't let go. Number 7. Insert a pin, a very small screwdriver into the Y hole. And number 8. Press the on button on the soft key, and then the light will turn on very bright. Don't look into the light because that very dangerous for your eyes. And then you can turn on off the light by pressing off the bottom of the soft key. And then step number 9. Press the start button on the soft key to start the adjust light. The following display will appear. Step number 10. Movement of the pinholes E to adjust to absorbance value. You will see the absorbance value on the right side of the screen according to the movement of the pin. And then adjust the light to lowest absorbance value. And then when the reach the lowest value, both value appears on the screen show the same value. Press the stop to button on the soft key. Number 13. Tighten the X screw. Number 10. You can turn off the light by pressing the off button on the soft key. And then replace the metallic cover and tighten the screw. If you want to replace the lamp, wait until the light are cool, because the light is so dangerous for your eyes or for anything else. Pull out the lamp from the socket to release it, and then use a dry, fat-free and whole new light. Don't touch the lamp by hand naked. that will result to shortening the eye light. And then attach the lamp of the socket carefully until it fits his position. And then press the on button on the soft key. The light will turn on by very bright. And then press the start button on the soft key to view absorbance light. And then if you have a research of the absorbance value limit, attach it back metallic cover. Close the blue cover, replace the printer paper is needed if needed, and then press the black or play button to display maintenance menu or my menu to process has finished. That's the last step of tool repair about microlab 300. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video. Thank you.